Hello children, I am here today to explain you long division with two-digit divisor. So welcome to your maths class and let us start. Children, in my earlier video I had told you the story wherein we have the characters of dad, mom, sister, brother and Rover. Today we are going to use the same family to help us do the two-digit division, that means long division with two-digit divisor. So let's see how we are doing it. The characters of the story are same: dad, mom, sister, brother, Rover. So first of all, each person represents a step in the long division process, like I had earlier also told you. Now here, as you can see, we are having dad. Dad stands for divide. Then we have mom. Mom stands for multiply. Then we have sister, that stands for subtract. Brother, it stands for bring down. And last is Rover, that is repeat or remainder. Okay. Now let's start with our step 1 in the two-digit long division process. So step 1, if you remember, we start with dad, that is dad or divide. So now here, since we are having a two-digit divisor, जैसे यहाँ पे क्या है divisor हमारा 21. So 21 is having the two digits. So here also we will take the first two digits and see how many times 21 will go into 94. और अगर आप इसको आसान करना चाहते हैं, you change it to whole numbers. So this is 20 and this becomes 90. Okay, and then we see, like, we can easily now, since 0 is here, so now we can easily multiply. Like 4 times it becomes 80. If you multiply 9 times, so it will become 90. So अगर हम लोग अंदाज़ा लगाते हैं, then we can say that 21 fours will definitely fit into this. So we will see 21 will not go into 9. So we will look at 94. As I said, we will round off 21 and 94 because we can easily do that to solve our problem. So now how many 20s will go in 9? We have figured it out as 4. So now moving further, now the step of the multiplication comes in where mom is there. So mom and multiply if you remember that way. So now 21 into 4, 21 multiplied by 4, you get 84. So now we have got 84 there. So you will write your answer directly under the number 94 or the number you have just divided into. Okay? So we are writing it that way. Now comes the third step, that is the step of subtraction. So sister stands for that and we are using a line. Now we will subtract, so we'll draw this line here. We'll draw a line like this and subtract karenge. So now we are left with 10. Now we have subtracted 84 from 94 and whatever our answer, that is 10, we have written just below that. Next step is bring down. So what are we going to bring down? Bring down the number which is there. So now 8 is left, so we will bring down 8. So now हमारा number क्या हो गया? 108. Now we will see 21 and 108. Okay. Now we will draw an arrow and bring it down to the number next to 10. So now here we are deciding. Now here comes the important step, that is step number 5, repeat or reminder, which is denoted by our rover. So rover से हम इसको याद रखेंगे, repeat or remainder. Now over here, this is where we decide whether we have to repeat or we have to continue. If our divisor can be divided, we have the numbers are there and we can further divide it, then we need to repeat the step of division. And if it's impossible to divide, then we will just leave it as it is and that will become our remainder. So over here 108 can be further divided. So again we will start dividing and start from step 1. Then dad will come, that is divide. Now we will see how many times 21 is going into 108. So we will just round off so that our multiplication becomes easier and we are able to find out. So 20 if it is, so 5 times, so 5 I think it will go. So here we have written 5. Now next step is multiply. 21 into 5, we are getting 105. We place it directly under 108. And then third step, subtract करेंगे and we are left with the remainder 3. Now here we have to decide whether we have to bring down. So there is nothing to bring down, iske aage kuch hai nahi, so we have nothing to bring down. And the last step again, which is the repeat or remainder, we will see. Now 3 is a small number as compared to 21. We cannot further divide 3. So now we will leave the question as it is. So 45 becomes our quotient and 3 becomes our remainder. So this completes this question. Now here are some practice questions for you. So you can try doing these out, remembering our story. Okay? Remember the characters of the story: dad, mom, sister, brother, rover, and do these questions. Okay children? Thank you. Have a nice day.